So hey guys, in this lecture we are going to learn about the basic settings. We are going to learn about the basic interface of the VideoScribe. So let's just jump into the lecture. So I hope you have installed the VideoScribe in your computer. So after installing, let's just open the VideoScribe software. Okay, so this is the first interface that you would see when you open the VideoScribe software. So here you have to enter the email address and the password, and these are the same email address, same password that we have made our VideoScribe account. So as you may know that, as you may remember that when we were downloading VideoScribe software, we had made an VideoScribe account. So you have to put the same account detail in order to log in into the VideoScribe software. So put your email address, password, and always make sure whenever you are login, always make sure that you check in this remember me button option, because what it does is that even if you don't have internet connection, you can use this software, and but if you don't check in this option and log in, then you would need internet connection every single time whenever you are logging into this software. So always make sure you check in this remember me option. So let's just check in, let's just log in into the VideoScribe software. So I click on login here, and then here you can see what's new in the VideoScribe update. Okay, so this is our interface of the VideoScribe. Here you can see this is the example scribe. This is where our all projects gonna be shown when we create them. This is right now we don't have any kind of project. This is example scribe actually. If you want to edit this scribe, you just have to click here and you can open it. You can change the images, you can change the text, and if you want to delete this project, you can click here so that this project will get deleted. And then we have this button, create a new scribe. When you click on this button, what it does is that when you click on this button, you would be able to make a new project. You will be able to make a new scribe. So we will talk about that also in our upcoming lectures. Then we have this option. We have three options here actually: newest folder, oldest folder, folder A to Z. So it's like basically sorting. Like if you have many projects here and you want to sort, like what's your oldest project, then you can sort what's your newest project, or if you want your project to be shown in order like A to Z, then you can also select that. Then we have recent scribe. This is basically, if you click here, you will get the recent scribe. Right now we don't have many scribes, we have only one scribe, that's why. Then we have local scribe. From here you can see the all the scribes that are saved in your computer locally. Then we have online scribe. If you click here, you will see all the scribes that are saved online. So you can even save your project, you can even save your project, your scribe on their server, on their cloud storage. You can do that. Then we have template scribe. These are the templates which are made by VideoScribe team themselves. So you can use this templates to make your video. And these are some of the really good scribes, some of the good templates. You can use this. You just have to change some text, some photos, and your video, your project is ready to go. You can use them also. And then we have here, this is actually filter project. So you can enter any keyword, and if you have any kind of project that contain that particular keyword, that project will you will get that project. Let's say I search coronavirus. So as you can see, so we got all the projects that title contain coronavirus keyword, as you can see here. Let's say I search India. As you can see, we don't have any kind of project that title contain India keyword, right? So this is how you can use filter project option. Here we also have the same thing. Here we have two more option which is newest modify scribe. It's like same, like what's the newest modify scribe among your projects, and then oldest modify scribe. You can use these two options when you have a lot of projects. Then here we have at the bottom we have three options. First is import scribe file. So let's say if you were working on an project in a different computer, but now you are working on a different computer. So what you can do is you just import that scribe file into your computer, so you can even start working. So you don't need to start the entire project again. You just import that scribe file. You just copy that scribe file from that computer and put into your computer, and you will be ready to go. So you can do that. Then we have settings. So here we have languages. From here you can manage your account, and all the settings we will look in our upcoming lectures. Actually this setting is important, which is emergency backup. So it means like when you are using VideoScribe software, VideoScribe automatically save your progress. Let's say you are working on VideoScribe and unfortunately your computer, your system got shut down, right? So you don't need to worry guys, actually, because VideoScribe automatically save your progress after every 2 minutes. So you can even change that to 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, and if you set it to 0 minute, that means emergency break is off. So now VideoScribe not going to save your project automatically. You have to save it manually again and again. So I recommend you that always keep it between at 2 minutes or like 3 minutes, and click here. Yeah, okay, so that's it for this lecture guys. I believe this lecture, I guess this, okay, so I guess that's it for this lecture guys, and I will see you in our next lecture.